हॅलो दोस्तो, कैसे हो सब लोग? कसे आहात तुम्ही सगळे? आय एम श्रेया, करंटली परस्यूइंग माय MBBS at DRGMC अमरावती, स्टडीइंग फर्स्ट ईयर. कन्फ्यूजन ही कन्फ्यूजन है, सॉल्यूशन का कुछ पता नहीं. अरे डोंट वरी, आई एम देयर ना. आई विल लिटरली सॉल्व योर कन्फ्यूजन कि बुक्स कौन से खरीदे, कहाँ से खरीदे. कहाँ से खरीदे वो तो आप देख लेना, मगर कौन से खरीदे ये तो मैं बता सकती हूँ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो विथ बुक्स ऑफ एनाटॉमी. सो एनाटॉमी के बुक्स कुछ वेरियस पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किए हैं, जैसे कि ग्रॉस एनाटॉमी, हिस्टोलॉजी, एम्ब्रियोलॉजी, जेनेटिक्स. एंड न्यूरो एनाटॉमी ग्रॉस एनाटॉमी में ही आता है, बट यू कैन स्टडी इट डिफरेंटली इफ़ यू लव दैट सब्जेक्ट. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. For anatomy, you can choose between three set of books: Gray's Anatomy, B.D. Chaurasia and Vishram Singh. I have personally used B.D. Chaurasia, which includes clinical aspects of the anatomy very nicely. So you may choose according to your understanding, but mainly choose the diagram based book because anatomy is completely diagram based. So go for the diagram based book. I'll show the books which I have read. I have read B.D. Chaurasia, which comes in set of 5 books. जनरल एनाटॉमी का एक छोटा बुक रहेगा एंड 4 वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ द मेन ग्रॉस एनाटॉमी. सो लेट्स गो फॉर इट. दिस इज वॉल्यूम 4, दिस इज वॉल्यूम 2, दिस इज वॉल्यूम 3, एंड last but not the least volume 1. General anatomy I currently don't have, so you can see it on Google. For histology you can prefer Inderveer Singh's Human Histology, which I have read and I loved the content in it. And for diagram drawings you can choose this book. Purchasing this book is not compulsory, as your college might provide or your seniors might provide you with the diagrams. So buy accordingly. Let's carry forward our discussion with embryology. As far as embryology is concerned, it is the most favorite subject of mine and which I love to read more often. So I'll recommend you Inderveer Singh's Human Embryology. I don't know how to show you this. Inderveer Singh's Human Embryology, or if you want to read embryology in more depth, you can always choose L. Keith's The Developing Human. The book looks some of like this. You may take the screenshot of it. Now let's talk about neuroanatomy. B.D. Chaurasia itself contains neuroanatomy in the volume 4. If you love the subject, you can always prefer Inderveer Singh's Clinical Neuroanatomy. It has great content in it. You may go through it. Anatomy being anatomy, it is a diagram based subject, so you have to refer diagrams or 3D diagrams, atlas. So atlas which I would like to recommend is Netter's Atlas, although it's not compulsory to purchase it since it is very much expensive, so you could always go for a PDF of it. And for genetics I would recommend Gangne's book, which is sortly bluish in color. I don't have that book right now. I'll share a screenshot around it or in the next slide. हमारा सब्जेक्ट कैसा हो? ऑब्वियसली फिजियोलॉजी जैसा हो. द मोस्ट ईजिएस्ट एंड मोस्ट लवेबल सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर would be physiology. Let's carry on our discussion with physiology. Gold standard books for physiology is the Kyton and Hall textbook of medical physiology. It looks sort of like this. It has a very precise content, to the point content, and very easy to read, but yet yaad kuch nahi rehta. So let's go to the simpler versions. And the book which I used for physiology would be G.K. Pal. It comes in 2 volumes. आप इसके हालत से बोल ही सकते हो that I have used it so much. This is my favorite book. Has so easy language. इतना easily आपको explain किया गया है that you can easily remember it and can explain it to anyone else. This book teaches you as if teacher is teaching you. And the next book would be Semulingam, which everyone use, and you can also prefer A.K. Jain. Buy according to your preferences. Go through the books and then purchase them. अब बारी है बायोकेमिस्ट्री की. द नेक्स्ट फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट ऑफ माइन इन फर्स्ट ईयर. ऑफकोर्स बाकी के ईयर्स तो मैंने पढ़े नहीं हैं, लेकिन biochemistry is very easy to understand and my favorite subject personally. So let's carry forward with biochemistry. For biochemistry, you can choose between Satyanarayan and Vasudevan. I personally read both of these books, but I loved Satyanarayan more as it has more of simple words and you can understand it easily. Last but not the least, practicals, which includes physiology practicals and biochemistry practicals. For biochemistry theoretical practical, to read it, I have used this Poonam Agarwal's biochemistry practical book, and for physiology I would always recommend G.K. Pal practical physiology. Although it's not compulsory to buy practical books, since you would get knowledge practically or journals mil jayenge, so don't worry about the practical books. Just it's a suggestion, you can go through them. It's better for Viva. Now let's talk about some online resources, paid and free resources, which you can use with your preparation accordingly. Paid resources includes PrepLadder, Marrow. I personally use Marrow and love the Marrow notes. And secondly, free resources vary according to the subject. First, for anatomy, I'll suggest Johari MBBS, which I have used, and Essentials of Medical Science. These two channels are completely free and you can use them and go through them. For physiology, I didn't feel any need कि मैं कोई channel use करूँ, because after reading you will understand those subjects very easily. And biochem, the most suggested channel and very nice channel, which would be Dr. Zambulkar sir's channel, tried and tested, very nice teaching. You can also refer his notes. That's it for today. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in comment section. Stay tuned for more such videos. Take care. Bye bye.